Name drop them, Chris.
That's on you, bro.
Name drop
on you. Let them know.
They're all playing,
man.
They're all playing somewhere
Time to
else.
make some noise in this competition.
Blake Austin, what are you doing, Blake Austin? Like I spoke about, the Jennings boys are keen to jump on board. Brycey Cartwright, he's keen to have a crack.
Right.
The area, yeah. So we're keen on that. The feeder boys were keen to have a crack.
Yeah.
But I guess we just got to look at eligibility and how that all unfolds. Matty Moreland's from the area as well. There's a lot of boys out there that are obviously we're going to put some young boys around them as well. Some good kids playing.
Have you got any name drops of the young kids that we should keep an eye out for as well that you think would be electric in a nines format?
I'll name drop. I don't want to give you names, bro.
You're stealing everyone else's.
Yeah.
I'll mention two, man, that are in mind at the moment. Nico Apelu, current New South Wales Cup player for Penrith. He's a prop, but he's got a small frame, but just fast feet and loves the contact. But he's one to definitely look out for.
Yep.
And the other one I'll mention is Sam Curtin, currently playing in our Ron Massey team. But this kid I've known for a long time. I actually met him playing tag. He was playing tag for Australia. He's played tag for Australia and New South Wales and decided to come back to have a crack at footy. Yeah, but those are two I was,
Big Rafa?
Big Rafa was still working. Big Rafa might go to the NFL.
I don't know if you've seen, it's gone viral. He scored a try off a kickoff for our St Mary's Massey teams, played a bit of cup.
We'll flip that on this way.
He's about 6'6", 120 kilos.
He's got a motor on him?
Motor, man.
Yeah?
Definitely, yeah.
Greasy, run over a few. Speak of Jonah Lomu,
See, that's why I retired from footy. I can't, this unfair, these prototypes that you produce out here, 6'6" and Kangusi.
That's what we all
You'll laugh too when you see the clip.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, man. It's crack up. It's all time, though. Great try.
Big step, ankle check, Nines Premier League, on deck. This is the Nines, we running it up. Cashing it does, never enough. Game so fast, whole crowd shook. Step too hard, defenders get cooked.